Today we will discuss about some featuring characteristics of giraffe. Giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to a genus Giraffa. It is the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on earth. Traditionally, giraffes have been thought of as one of the species with 9 subspecies. Most recently, researchers proposed dividing them into 8 extant species due to new research into their mitochondrial and nuclear DNA, and the individual species can be distinguished by their fur coat patterns. Giraffe's chief distinguishing characteristics are its extremely long neck and legs, its horn-like ossicons, and its spotted coat patterns. It is classified under the family Giraffidae along with its closest extant relative, the Upaki. Its scattered range extends from Chad in the north to the South Africa in the south, and from Niger in the west to the Somalia in the east. Giraffes usually inhabit savannas and woodlands. Their food source is leaf, fruit, and flowers of woody plants, primary Acacia species. Lions, leopards, spotted hyenas, and African wild dogs may prey upon giraffe. Giraffes live in herds of relative females and their offspring or bachelor herd of unrelated adult males, but are gregarious and may gather in large aggregations. Male establish social hierarchies through necking, compact bouts where the neck is used as a weapon. Dominant males gain mating access to the females, which bear sole responsibility for rearing the young. Fully grown giraffe stands 4.3 to 5.7 meter tall, with male taller than females. The average weight is 1192 kgs for the male adult and 828 kgs for an adult female. Despite its long neck and leg, its body is relatively short. The skin is mostly gray or tan and can reach a thickness of 20 mm, and the 80 and 100 cm long tail ends in a long dark tuft of hair and is used as a defense against insects. The coat has dark blotches or patches which can be orange, chestnut brown, or nearly black, surrounded by light hair, usually white and cream colored. Male giraffes become darker as they grow old. The coat pattern have been claimed to serve as in the light and shade pattern of savanna woodland. When standing among trees and bushes, they are hard to see at even a few meter distance. The skin under the blotches may regulate the animal's body temperature, being sized for complex body vessel system and large sweat glands. Spotless or solid colored giraffes are very rare and have been observed. Giraffes usually inhabit savannas and open woodland. The Angolan giraffe can be found in desert environment. Giraffes browse in the twig of trees, preferring those of the subfamily Acacia and Genera commiphora and Terminalia, which are the important sources of calcium and potassium and protein to sustain the giraffe growth rate. They are also fed on shrubs, grass, and fruits. A giraffe eats around 34 kg of plant matter daily. Giraffe also recorded to chew old bones. Giraffes have an average lifespan of 25 years in their natural habitat and a range of 20 to 27 years in human care. In our long-term conservation project in northwest Namibia, we now know that some giraffes that were first identified as subadults in 2000 are still alive today, making them some of the oldest recording giraffe in the world. That's all about it. If you like this video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.